Power greetings to everyone. In this video, let's see how to install Power BI desktop on your computer. There are two ways how you can install Power BI. One is click on the start menu, go to Microsoft Store and search for Power BI. Okay, and click on this install button. Once you click on the install, you'll have the Power BI installed on your desktop, and then you can follow the installation procedures. Since I've already installed Power BI on my system, it will say for open. I can click on open from the Microsoft Store, or I can go to the start menu and open it. Okay, it will have a complete description on what Power BI is, what you can do with Power BI, the features of Power BI, and the most important thing, the system requirements. Okay, so it's mandatory that you need to have Windows 10 or above, and depending upon your OS architecture, 64-bit or 32-bit, the Microsoft Store automatically detects your operating system. Okay, so it says of 2 GB of memory, so I suggest you to have a memory of 8 GB or more, because it involves a lot of visualization. So more the memory, better the performance. Okay, so any processor that's above i3 should work fine. Latest, the best. Okay, you don't need a separate graphics card, but if you have, that's well and good. Alright, so this is one method where you can install Power BI desktop on the system. The other is you can go to Microsoft website or powerbi.microsoft.com, click on products, click on Power BI desktop, and click on download for free. Okay, so this will download a file, and you can follow the installation process. Double click on the file and follow the installation process and install Power BI. Okay, so this does not require any of your work email address. It's for free and you can use it without any requirement. More power to you.